कि Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Problem solved. They came, they solved the problem, everything was fine. They said, okay, done. We will not come back anymore. Yeah. And this morning they came to compromise. They said they came to compromise with 40-50 guys. If they really want to compromise, they could have come only 1 or 2 guys, talk to us and solve the problem. But 40-50 guys came and they charged. It's not compromise. That's what I'm saying. Okay, what has happened, both sides. Maybe our fault, maybe your fault. Let's sort this matter now. We are requesting.
Explain to you from before. Now you take the matter, you get the judge, then you take out all. We have to handle by all.
Okay, even I will take care of my brother. Don't do this. Are you threatening in front of the media?
No, we are not threatening. Don't do this.
I am just threatening. I'll take care of my brother. No, I didn't say that I'll take care of him. I said I'll take care of my own brother.
Yeah, you understand what you're saying? I just want
take care of your own brother.
Well, you know, negative mindset is already there. You don't even understand the sentence. You already, your mindset was somewhere else.
No, we will handle the situation.
We have to handle. No, we have to take care of brother.
Even I will take care of my brother.
Okay,
see, this will not lead us anywhere. This people are hurt already. Your brother is hurt. His brother is hurt.
Now it's no point of let us go and fix our brother. What they are. Their health is good, then
who will talk? I mean, what kind of conversation? Tell us.
Let them talk now. Who? Because they got injured.
Both of
my brothers also they got injured. Let them talk. Yeah, we will talk and
Lang doon siyo boy ra mo sapo. Ani ki khot biang ni kita rawat ki khot biang ni sang sien.
Yeah.
He was not on the spot.
Way na gibisa Shoh ang step jong kasing sajan ka khandai tarik ulber Ejahar Apsau Keating road ble Dkhot jong ka Hito. Halor ki Shoh jong de Dkhot bat kumjuru ki way pat ki samla khasi u president rangba ka Hito uba danbok Ejahar ubawan man pej yaki civil hospital Shlong ulaong bakinom Treh Satya ban Ujor Ejahar namar bakim shani asu yaki bor jong ka an namar bla bun ki Ejahar bla Ujor Ndrai ki ong pakampoy sinu-sinuru. Ba danbok Ejahar ula ong bamenta Hito kanpej ayu ka an kan le.
And help you guys decide that this is not the way. I am requesting you guys again to involve us right at the moment when some incident happens, rather than first fighting amongst yourself and then expecting law to take the course. I am asking you guys again and again that ever going forward, if you see somebody has intimidated you, somebody has had a fight with you, inform us.
This is not the first time. Maybe you are not aware. This is not the first time you are while puja and all these festivals happen. No, you'll see what is the danger. In fact, it is our organization only who used to put all the signboard here by warning that don't sit here, don't smoke, don't take drugs, don't drink enough.
Exactly. Without your help, the society will also not
happen today is unacceptable. Why they just hit the public? When they come for peace, let's talk for peace. But if they keep on provoking,
I understand, totally understand your point. I get your point that they may have started the fight also. But I'm saying that if going forward, if you want to talk for peace, send 2 or 3 people first if they have had a fight, and then the things can be taken forward. Okay?
We came, their intention also for what? Maybe this intention, but their intention is clearly is not good. Suppose totally me, if you summon me, I'll come.
Yes.
Okay, I won't carry any gun, anything. Right. So these people, they came with peaceful. They used to stand here only every time. So these people also did after me. You get my point?
Exactly.
So that's what I told you, that from our side, this clearly we will let the law handle. Sure. We will show how the law is strong. That's one.
I'm saying that incidents happen yesterday. Those need to be reported yesterday, right? That there is an issue that
that's what yesterday. That's what how could they report?
Why many times go on? The problem is that but see, if you come like this, what will be the fee? Just imagine, no.
That's what you understand. You get your point now. What is the fee?
Surface
is a sensitive committee. So that's what we have to come more because it is very sensitive because of our personal feelings. That's what, you get your point? Exactly. That's what, so they came my voice intention come here to ask why we create a nuisance last night. Okay. But these people, instead of replying, they reply with sword, with rod, with stick. That is not the way. If we also receive that same impression, again, whatever has happened. What happened yesterday happened. But what? Let me finish. When you speak, what I said, as I already clearly specified to you that from our side we will not give FIR because last night incident is different. Today they came to talk for peace, but these people they don't want. So since the government and the police they know how to handle, from our side we will not give any FIR. We want to see how is the law function in our state. With every time we used to do with the sumo, we will leave it in how much the law. That is from our side because see, we are liberals. We don't have time to go here and there. We have to work. We have to run. We will let you.
So both, see, that will come to later. I am just saying, first of all, if you fight amongst yourself and then report, if any small incident has the capability of
Tenri kejiwan ke jong Ngim asane berlebih jauh para Dkhot. Mana mesti pun uang ba. Kadang kaji murah menengit kita ki banyak kali tulis sana ada kata kaji berkelap rasi. Hak pun uang ba nang tapat menengit kami kepada kini ki nongway nang ni uang ba. Hang ni hasnong ini besia beli ni ya keren head ini bentai. Hang tapat produk personal sini boleh kasih usung dom no tu tahu nongway uang ba. Kini kadang-kadang jongki. Nang tagai kebaja tu bentai. Umpan nak kau berdenang hat kespat. Kejinwan jangan nam start ini tu wan banyak keren masuk. Insya bentuk ya kadau kadang banyak tinggal. Ya kuat mengenang wan empat lap hera benkeren kenyok hera benkeren mengenang sekali tang sekian arkentian tu para jemu banyak nak itu wei nak wan nang batnga. Demar senyak lah sedang nak kejin Shoh kejin ke hadiah nang tu pat. Kaba pensir ini kalau ba kenta ke niwan banyak keren. Parakti niwan ban ma kadang pergi Shoh kadai parakti hendrai ban sai pat dekin narat ke kapan itrian ameng kad hado ke kena ini mentah kini sabam tu narat dalangi kaman da motif ba niwan Shoh nang wan kumar niwan ban kan ban susu ya kadau kalau ngomno kamno ban ya penbai hendrai mars niwan ni hang ni klai pen ibor na la sai na da tiar ke itu lada ngiru dai bangi penkre niwan da kabor ban sai da tiar kan nong kumno trai ki tai tidak kena sini belak mensal ini tai ini hang ini hap kat aduk penadap ke medical ini nah am ke FIR tengim file tu habe dei ke FIR antan sai manga na puna kapor kani kamdei kesin ke benengkong besar Shoh tau Dkhot jing kecil benriau kato nak sak penyap pi kita kun kecil benriau kasih sangkut kata FIR rebuk dan hang nolak kan menolak kan batya nolak kan susah dompet. Kadang nak kalian macam ni hak keportaan kumpulan Christian orang we have no faith in this law. Kam ni ka mekla government. But ni ai ru kajing start hagan ni ka keportaan ke pemerintah. Lada yang ni kila ban pik da ka basusu mo to yang pik ka hadu kan no ke investigate hadu kan no kajing start namar gisna ki jongi ki babala ke ban por ban siang ka seri. Kadang Ngim Treh ban ai FIR mendai bang Ngim dai sudah tak kau pun kajing ai FIR dai bangi pendam ni tiang hagi nang wen reng ni mentah ka penting jadi ke lanang lasta yang ai dia keborkaan lada keborkaan kamla yen sampai kategori jilat letih ban keluar ya keborkaan ban sim ban sistem ya gini juga penjaga lada kadon ki jing baklan ki para Dkhot ki jung ni lada ka an kalap kedai ban sistem ni ndrei apa kira dekat tiar kamut kajuba tin sayo i baik ya ka an kan le ko kam bat lada ka kungan ban yang sesian lada ka an ni kam le kemut kajak bendriau hi pia bisari pia pek hi namar yakin nong thau an ni pha mai bakam ler ka an kemut bamler hi pada bamler ka jek dia karena kalian jungi nginum ai FIR yang stand di haju maka ai ka bakong san ka de jeng ko jeng khia jeng para jungi sa tangin i de hak jeng start jeng ka bor ka an hendra ya ka FIR nginum bu lano ro bangila suthu ba katto bla de bu pat pila i ro katno ke jeng Shoh jeng sadat ba kham tam ha jeng sa penyap kita ki khon ki jat bendriau hangno la dep kem tang katai jadi baka bor kaan kalong ka baklan oh ni sani ndre ka kita kale sang Dkhot tang Dkhot jong itu sangut mun baro sangut ni dan memsau jauh pedenya organizing secretary jong organizing secretary te kila sakir secretary jong silong sti udang batai wong ba ki ba kira lurus ki bombe marka ta hatu ko por kiba kajian ini entah adalah ya poi bang ini kalau poi nak buat jangka anjing ini katai